So recap, today was a crazy day, but we still managed to come out green. Gave back to some of the gains towards the end of the day, but we're still green, guys. Nothing better than a green day when the market comes down. And how did I do this? I just did bought, guys. I bought Apple and Tesla here in the morning. This is a free chat, by the way. Check out the first thing down below. Here at 7:39, 800 shares of Apple. But first, I want to cover Tesla. We bought 100 shares. I believe it was 100. Let's see, each trades. Yes, here twice. They bought it, 206 profit, not bad. As for tomorrow, guys, I am still not the day I expected for Tesla or the market in general. I wanted more momentum upwards. Let's take this off. A ton more momentum upwards. Tesla is creeping into its earnings. It has to. It has to, guys. It's still holding its higher lows here. This is like the last despair. It's either we come back down and bounce a 409, or we rally above 450. That's pretty much it. It has to come above 440 pre-market at least, and hopefully rallies above 450 at market open. We have to have that momentum. I have a feeling as well. I'm trying to like put scenarios into my head. If we drop tomorrow, Tesla E Arrow comes out and it just rallies from there. There's so many possibilities. The best thing you could do is just sit and just wait and play what you see in front of you. As you can tell, we didn't expect this pullback today on Tesla, but we still managed to come out green. Why? Because we trade what's in front of us. That's it. Apple, I'm not sure if you can see a quality in the new setup, maybe more vibrant colors, a little quicker as well. This is our new MacBook, that's why. So I usually just trade on the PC for those of you that are wondering. This is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade, and I just have the laptop when I'm out and about. It's it's amazing. It's very quick too, this one especially. And for Apple, we gave back some of the gains. I was at the gym. I bought on my phone. I shouldn't have done that. I wasn't able to see this $116 mark and be like, hey, it might come down just a little bit. So this one was a crazy. We traded this one a lot. So our main position was here of the 800 shares, which we alerted here, and a little bit more aggressive towards the market. Towards the market open here at 7:30, an hour after the market open, compared to almost the end of the day. I love the momentum here at the market open, and we caught those dip buys here. So we were up a little bit more on the profit, but we lost here on the dip buys, but it doesn't really matter. As for Apple for tomorrow, let's take this off really quick. I am going to be watching. Let's go. I don't like the 15. So even just this drop here towards the end is a little bit appealing to me, because you best believe if tomorrow we drop under 116, we have room to gap down to like the 114s. So don't be surprised if we come down to that level. But if we start rallying towards the market open and we build upward momentum, watch the like around the mid 117 level, around that level, and after that it breaks past that downtrend here we have. So we have this slight slope downtrend. So we want to break out past that wedge. Even today I was trying to short every top. Here, and sometimes I wasn't able to get filled in, or I just didn't click the trigger. But nonetheless, it still would have paid off to hold those shorts positions. But I mean, when you're green on the day, you just want to walk away. It's exactly what happened. I lost a little bit of the profit. Nothing too crazy. Still got green, but that's what it is. So Apple, Tesla, which other ticker? NEO, I believe, just pulled back towards midday, towards the lower of the 27. I believe we mentioned this pullback here on the last week's video. Not sure, because on the 4-hour, guys, look, it's had this crazy run to the 29.40 level. We were so close to 30, we weren't able to reach it. But even if we pull back to any level above like 23, 24, you have to look at the bigger picture. Still on a big uptrend. So days like this, sometimes it's just better to sit out. There was a huge earthquake here in, like, I think Alaska. So prayers to them. But nonetheless, nothing too crazy on NEO. And remember, elections are so close. You have to be very careful with your position. Sometimes it's even best to just say cash till then. But if you're able to catch these dips and these pullbacks, I'm gonna go for it. AMD pulling back as well. So a lot of the tickers. Amazon was another one, another great buy. I think Parker had like this crazy. Yeah, that's our position there in the morning. This crazy trade on Amazon. Shout out to you. And he was also cashed today. Yeah, choppy till election. He's all cashed today. So he was going to hop on puts, which would have paid. But sometimes you just hesitate. I've hesitated a lot, and sometimes you just forget. And there's always another day. It's always tomorrow. So don't rush it. He's probably going to have like this crazy trade tomorrow. Watch. even just with the SPY right here, 344. If we could come up above 344 and break that downtrend, possibly wedge above 346 and 349, that's probably going to be the best option there for SPY. 1 hour. Yeah, we could come up above here. I don't like this downtrend here. So even if you look at this, like, it's holding so close to that previous resistance, you don't want it near the 340s, because if it comes down to the 340s, has room to run all the way down to the 335s. You want it above this wedge. Even if it's just trading sideways, you want it up there. You want it to hold near its highs. You don't want it to pull back. So I think that's pretty much Zoom. I know this one was a killer on Friday. Damn. We missed this one. Looks like a head and shoulders. Potential drawback to the 560s. Maybe a potential play down here in the 560s. I don't know. I was going to buy here at 561 and seeing it today hit 588. I mean, it's always easy to say in hindsight, right? So, not stressing. We'll see tomorrow. Nothing crazy. I don't like swinging. Also, for those of you that asked in the chat, I don't like swinging just because I lose sleep at night. That's just me. I'd wake up. I'd be like, oh, what are futures at? That's just me. I like just having a peace of mind. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tesla's probably still my top stock right now. Hot on my list. Like, I didn't expect today what we saw today, but you traded what you see, man. But hopefully tomorrow we get a crazy rally. Other than that, make sure you guys leave a like on the video if you guys found this video helpful. Leave a comment down below with what you're trading, your positions, and your watch list, and subscribe and check out the free chat, guys. You guys will find me there in the morning and basically all day. So take care, guys.